124 Mammoth Pools. This is a HUD home. We are really close to Black Mountain and on a cul-de-sac. Because it's a HUD home, there is no power inside. So we might want to remove that dish. I'm not quite sure what's going on with this driveway here. What these spots are, I'm not sure. So this house is going to need to be basically completely redone, but it doesn't need to necessarily be overwhelming because a lot of times we replace the carpet and a lot of times we do 100% repaint. So it's in worse condition right now, but those are fairly standard things. So we need a handle here, change the set, and repaint the front door. I don't know what these stains are throughout the property, but it's on the tile, so the tile actually may be okay. Of course, we'll replace the carpet, but actually that's the property manager's call. She may want to pull up all the tile and put the same flooring all throughout. We need 3 blinds in here, replace that light fixture, probably all the light fixtures. I personally think it's really cool that you have the fireplace right in the eat-in area, and you could use this area over here as the eat-in area instead of right in front of the sliding door. Definitely need new counters, obviously fridge, we need a new range, get a blind here with an undermount sink and a gooseneck faucet. The cabinets themselves actually aren't in the worst condition ever. I've seen much worse. The only thing is there's a lot of stains on it, so either we need a good janitorial and hopefully it gets all the stains out, or we need to repaint it. So there's a slider to the master as well, so we have this little concrete area here and there, which is great. We have some trees, but we do have a lot of rock. Fairly private backyard for Vegas. Remember, repainting is about $1.50 a square foot, and we would repaint. We repaint a good majority of properties anyway. Carpet's also about $1.50 a square foot. And in a neighborhood like this, it may be better just to repaint and have all new things anyway, because it's a higher end neighborhood. We need 2 new blinds in here. Need a shower rod, a shower head. Probably new granite sink. It's a very large laundry room that we would need to tile as well. Okay,